Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about Verasity, VRA token, and finally, guys, I never even could imagine, so I will tell this. But I have a good news for VRA holders. Let's dive in. All right, guys. It's sarcastic because all of this years, I post the video about VRA, and every single time, the VRA army write a great comment like, you don't understand the Verasity, you don't understand Verasity. But guys, maybe I don't understand Verasity like a project, but I understand this project down. Even in the last year, 1,500% gains, because I remember at this point I also posted the video and a lot of people screaming we go into the moon because it's just the beginning, 1 cent, it's just the beginning, blah blah blah, all this stuff. But imagine, guys, this is a reality. So everybody who hop in here, they have to wait, just wait. They just talking. No, they not diamond hand, and they not selling because they don't wanna. They not selling because they can't. They can't out because they need now to wait when this token will pump 1,500% gains, while these guys gonna fix the profit and these guys will be just out of the break even. So that's a fact. And I don't wanna even talk about this potential 8,000% gains for the people who stuck in here since October, November 2021. And I remember all of this downfall, people screaming, we go into the moon, we go into the moon, we go into the moon. Like a mantra, It's like one of many cult coins. Why it's good news for Verasity now? Because I couldn't even imagine, but here, Binance wallet. So this official, it's from Binance wallet. And I saw that announcement. So the Binance users will get the airdrop from Binance Alpha Traders. So this is a really good news. And I think I can be wrong, I think they will list it. Because, many times, when they start some activity, in the Binance Alpha, after that, they list the token. But even imagine with that, what the date was here, June, so yesterday, here. Imagine the Binance start talking about a Verasity, and this token pump 68%, not 1,000, not 5,000 to the moon and all of this stuff, guys. 68%. After that, we go into correction. So in general, it's 48. So this is a spike. This is sales. I'm not telling you the VRA it's some bad coin, guys. It's just a basic coin. With fundamental, without fundamental, absolutely doesn't matter. Absolutely doesn't matter, guys. Like speculation with all of these rumors, not even rumors, it's a fact. It's a fact about a potential airdrop from the Binance wallet. I think, yes, this coin now can be okay, in okay zone for accumulation. How high this token can pump? My take, based on this FIB, since November 2021, we track this FIB, and this FIB is here since basically June 2022. It's a 27 block. So this block, it's okay zone for accumulation. So this is a time where we need to accumulate the tokens if we believe in this project and if we want to invest in it. This is a chart on a Gate.io since March 2021, and this is a global chart since April 19. So guys, everybody who waiting something similar, I have a bad news for you. We probably will never see something like this one. $1 price for this token, 85 billion market capitalization. I don't know exactly. Do they upgrade their tokenomics? Do they burn their supply or not? I don't know, because somebody share something in the comments. We have to go into the moon because they will have to plan do something with the supply. Take a look. This is a market capitalization in the price. This is weird. This is absolutely weird, guys. How is it even possible? Token sale, guys. Let's go back to the token sale. ICO round was in 18 at 0.2075. It's basically another good reason accumulate VRA. Now, up to your own risk, because the logic is usually the venture funds, dump the price to the ICO rounds, to the IAO round, to the IDO, to the private round, to Series A, Series B strategic rounds. Now we're down from that price minus 77%. So it's good one. That's why, yes, I could even imagine, I will tell you this one, but based on this news from the Binance wallet, now like speculation, it's maybe will be okay time to buy VRA. The crazy top of this cycle, I'm waiting like 5 cents. So 5 cents, if you believe in new all-time high, of course you can wait 13 cents, guys. I'm more conservative one, and 5 cents will be just an amazing rally for this token if we're gonna hit this target, guys. It will be like 5,000% gains, yes. So it will be even more because the lowest point 6,000% gains. It's a 0.5 level by FIB. This FIB what I track, I don't know, since 2023, I guess. 6,140% gains. So this is my final top for this token now. A 27 block, it's okay zone for accumulation. That's why, guys, I highly recommend you go and check this news. Read about alpha points, so maybe you will get a drop. By the way, check the market capitalization. Current one is 143 million, FDV 157, so it's not a big difference. Everything okay. 77% tokens in circulation supply, so basically it's okay. It's okay. From all-time low, we are still 876% in profit from historical all-time low. Just in case. That's why, guys, logically to see, it's a global chart, crypto, and this is on a gator. But anyway, the zones are relevant. So logical to see local one. It's hard to say about timing, this one, some consolidation, pump to 0.2048, drop, grab that liquidity, break the local structure, and start climbing up to the next level by FIB, this one. So this is my take, guys, for VRA. If we check the monthly time frame, here is a I think yes, it will be there. Here the full fill like 1 cent 83, and the full fill of monthly gap with the weak candle we can hit like 5,200%, 5 cents 24. So that's a logical, at least now with this news about Binance alpha points. I think, yes, we can see the upside move for VRA. Let's take a look now, guys, with my customer said. I would like to show the ADZ now. So this one on a monthly, it's in accumulation. Direction laid out at the bottom. Now let's go to the global chart, and I want to show you the direction in the market mood. ADZ I can't show you because it's not from exchange. It's in average. So this is an accumulation if we talk about a global chart. So finally, yeah, somebody accumulate. How it playing out before? So here, accumulation pump, accumulation pump, accumulation. I can't say this is a pump yet. So be ready for the upside move, I guess. Can we drop a lower to form the low? Yes, of course. But based on seasonality, I don't think so we will. This is disbelief on the market mood. Now, guys, finally, now, it's a lot of positive around the VRA, especially with this post from the Binance wallet. This is a money outflow, MACD bullish, the awareness in no money inflow. This is what I don't like. So we got like news, bullish news, but without any new money inflow. So it's kind of weird. Monthly, money inflow was in August 24 at 0.2021. So basically now we are lower. But of course, after that, we pump it off the money inflow in average, like we pump it, yes, 250%. So now I wish to see the money inflow into that token. If we want to talk about some speculation, trade on global one monthly node data, weekly time frame is here. Buyback was last week. We're gonna buy back, but still no main signal to buy. Let's add alert to the buy on VRA. Buy. Got it daily. Daily Signals to buy was here, sell. Recommendation to buy back, sell. Guys, you can track everything by yourself with my custom indicator set. Trade on, guys. Finally, so weekly. Another is probably the third one or first, the bullish signal. So here we trade under fundamental value. Like you can see, we drop, buy back, bounce, rejection. Now the same story. A fundamental value of the stock at 0.202. Take profit, believe it or not, but we will test the take profit line. 0.2055. After 100% pump, beta withdraw initial deposit. Also, guys, take a look. I showed you this example here. When we see this drop, for example, impulse, bounce, almost 0.5, so 38 low by fib. If we talk about this impulse, like a low here, the correction should be to 0.2045 and even higher. But to talk about the potential upside move, you know, we need to sweep the 0.208 if we want to see the break of structure. So guys, my highest point I showed you in this video. Highly recommend you go and check on Verasity account or on the Binance wallet the news about the alpha points airdrop. If you'd like to trade it with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.